My dad was wondering which of these 2 air fryers he should buy to replace our broken air fryer so he can continue making content. This is his Instagram account, in which he started by making a poll. 59% of you voted for the Philips air fryer, while the other 41% voted for the Ninja air fryer. There were 10 votes for Philips and 7 votes for Ninja. Additionally, he made an Instagram post, in which we'll check the comments of. In the comments, there were 2 votes for Philips, bringing the Philips up to 12. There was a suggestion for both, and another vote for Ninja, bringing Ninja up to 8. Then he switched on to Facebook, where he has a group with 5.1 thousand followers. In that group, he posted another poll, in which we'll check the comments again. There were another 3 votes for Ninja and another vote for Philips, bringing the score up to 13 for Philips and 11 for Ninja. On over to TikTok, where he made another poll. Overall, our take from this was that no one cares on TikTok. Finally, he switched on over to YouTube, where he has 61.8 thousand subscribers and hundreds of videos. Please continue to watch them, as some have even hit millions of views. On YouTube, he made a community poll where 80% voted for Philips and 20% voted for Ninja. This means that in total 25 people voted for Philips and 14 people voted for Ninja. So now, thanks to your voting, my dad will be looking to buy the new Philips air fryer over the weekend.